Hi students, welcome to today's class. In today's class, I'll be teaching how to pass on the journal entries if salary and commission is given to the partners. Already I have told you, we have discussed everything about the partnership deed. Okay, if salary and commission is mentioned in the deed only, if there is any provisions given in the deed only, then salary and commission can be given to the partners. Okay, if nothing is mentioned means then salary and commission can't be allowed for the partners. How to pass on the entries for the salary and commission given to the partners, that we will discuss in today's class. Okay, salary and commission to partners. Already we have prepared the capital account. So in capital account what we do, we write salary, commission, everything on the credit side. Okay, even in current account also what we do, we write by salary, by commission, everything on the credit side. So what is the journal to provide commission and salary for the partners? So what we have to write? Partners salary account data, partners commission account data to partners capital or current account. Okay, this is for providing salary. In what treatment has to be done if it is capital account and current account. When we will have capital account and when we will have current account. If it is a fixed method means you will have to show it in the current account. If it is fluctuating capital account, you can show it in capital account itself. Okay. Now what we have to do, the salary and commission has to be transferred to profit and loss appropriation account. So for that, what is a journal? Profit and loss appropriation account data to partners salary account to partners commission account. Okay, understood? This partner and partner salary and partner's commission should be credited to partner's capital account, and profit and loss appropriation account, it should be debited to profit and loss appropriation account. First thing I told you, for providing salary and commission, a provision should be mentioned in the deed, and also it will be provided only if there is profits. Okay, suppose the business is going under a loss means what cannot be provided? Salary and commission can't be provided to the partners. Okay, now we will move to question number 19. Question number 19, page number 116. Okay, I'll read the questions. Question number 19, page number 116. Just watch the screen. Then we'll see how to pass on the journal entries. Okay, Janani and Kamali are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses equally. As per the terms of the partnership deed, Kamali is allowed a monthly salary of rupees 10,000 and Lakshmi is allowed a commission of rupees 40,000 per annum for their contribution to the business of the firm. You are required to pass a necessary journal entry. Assume that their capitals are fluctuating. Here we have three partners, Janani, Kamali and Lakshmi. But what we are giving, Kamali is allowed salary and Lakshmi is allowed commission. So Kamali, what we are doing, how much salary we are giving? We are giving, for Kamali we are allowing a salary of rupees 10,000 every month, monthly salary every month. So what is her total amount of salary? First you have to calculate that. Right, salary of Kamali is rupees 10,000 per month. So that multiply by 12, that will give you 1,20,000 rupees. That is the total salary. Okay. Then commission, we are giving commission of Lakshmi. Commission of Lakshmi, what is given there? You are giving 40,000 rupees. So you have to prepare the journal entry. So first you write the date, particulars, LF, debit, credit. Okay. So what is the journal entry for providing salary? So you have to write like this: salary of Kamalis, salary account data to Kamalis capital account. Why I am writing like this? Because in capital account, what we do, we write by Kamalis salary. So when you are writing the journal, you have to write like this: Kamalis salary account data to Kamalis capital account. So what is a salary? A salary is 1,20,000. Okay. We write like this: salary of Kamali transferred to a capital account. Next, what we are giving? We are giving commission for Lakshmi. So for that, what you have to do? The same thing. Lakshmi's commission account data to Lakshmi's capital account. So what is the commission? Her commission is 40,000. So write commission of Lakshmi transferred to her capital account. Okay. Salary to the partner's capital account, commission to the partner's capital account. After this, what we have to do? These two should be transferred to profit and loss appropriation account. When you come to profit and loss appropriation account, in the view of the business, when you see, it is an expense for the business. So what you do? Profit and loss appropriation account, to salary, to commission, you have to write. Okay. So next, that journal entry. So next, profit and loss appropriation account data to Kamali's salary account to Lakshmi's commission account. So Kamali's salary is 1,20,000. Lakshmi's commission is 40,000. Both you add and write 1,60,000. Salary and commission account transferred. Hope you understood, children. This is how you have to write the journal entries if you are giving any salary or commission to the partners. Okay. Today's class I will be teaching you how to calculate commission and salary. So we know that these can be given only if there is profits. Only out of the profits you are going to take and give the salary and commission. Okay. This commission has to be given as a percentage on the profit. Whatever profit you are getting, from that you have to calculate some percentage and give it to the partners. Okay. Now, before going to the sum, one concept you have to keep in mind. You have to read the question carefully. Sometimes it will be, commission will be charged on the profit before, the word before will be given. On the profit before charging commission. Sometimes it will be given in the question on the profit after charging commission. Okay. So that you have to see it carefully whether it is given before or after. Suppose if it is given before means the rate of interest, suppose it, for example 5% means just write 5 by 100 if they give the word before. If they give the word after, 5% means you must write 5 divided by 100 plus 5. Whatever is the percentage that should be added here if the word after is given. Suppose if it is given 10% means what you have to do, 10 divide by 100 plus 10. 20 means 20 divided by 100 plus 20. So this is the thing you have to keep in mind. Before means is the ordinary calculation rate of interest, how we are calculating, like that you have to do. After means you have to add that percentage also and you have to calculate. Okay. So we will move to question number 20. Question number 20, page number 116. First I will read the question for you. You understand the question and then we will move on to the sum. Okay. Sibi and Manoj are partners in a firm. Sibi is to get a commission of 20% on net profit before charging such commission. Manoj is to get a commission of 20% on net profit after charging all commission. Net profit for the year ended 31st December 2018 before charging any commission was rupees 60,000. Find the commission of Sibi and Manoj. Also show the distribution of profit. Here in the question the profit is given. What is that profit? Total amount of profit. Profit is rupees 60,000. Okay. This is the profit before charging commission. 60,000 is the profit before charging commission. Now what percentage should be given for Sibi and what to be given for Manoj? 20% should be given for Sibi on the profit before charging commission, and for Manoj 20% of commission should be given on the profit after charging commission. So for him before and the other one is after. So as I already told you, if it is before means just take the percentage and put it and find the rate. If it is after means you have to put that percentage plus divide by 100 plus the, even in the denominator also that percentage should be added. I write the formula, understand, then you can do the sum. Okay. Question number 20. So first case, that is for Sibi. Calculation of commission as a percentage of net profit before charging commission. Commission of Sibi. So what is the formula for that? Net profit into percentage of commission divided by 100. So what is the profit given there in the question? See the question, 60,000. 60,000 rupees into what is the percentage given there? 20. 20 by 100. So that will give you rupees 12,000. So this is the commission. 12,000 rupees is the commission for Sibi. Okay. But what is told in the question for Manoj? Manoj has to be given after charging the commission. Okay. So first, what is the profit? Profit is 60,000. In that 60,000, this 12,000 should be removed. If you remove the 12,000 from the 60,000, whatever amount you are getting, on that, after that only you have to calculate commission for Manoj. Okay. So, second part for Manoj, calculation of commission as a percentage on net profit after charging commission. Okay. So, first thing what I told you, first calculate the profit after giving commission. So, what is the profit? Net profit after SEBI's commission. So, total profit is 60,000. In that you minus the commission of SEBI. So, that will give you 48,000 rupees. 48,000 rupees. Okay. Now, calculate commission of Manoj. Commission of Manoj. What is the formula? Net profit into percentage of commission, divided by 100 plus percentage of commission. So, net profit, what is the net profit now you got? Now you got only 48,000 into, what is the percentage given in the question? 20. Down what you have to do? 100 plus 20. That is 48,000 into 20 divided by 120. So, that will give you 8,000 rupees. 8,000. Hope you understood, children, how to calculate the commission before and after. Before means just take the percentage and do it, ordinary calculation. Okay. After means whatever is the percentage given. Suppose it when 10% means 10 by 100 plus 10. Okay. Here it is when 20. So, 20 divided by 100 plus 20. That is 120. You have to calculate. Okay. And one more thing you have to keep in mind, you have to subtract the profit also. Get the profit after commission, then calculate and find out for the second part. Okay. Thank you.